At alam mo, partner, ngayon ko lang na-realize, etong mga napakagandang bini-bini sa harap natin, nakompleto na natin ang bini.
Yes. Ang ganda pakinggan, ano? May bini sila sa unahan ng kani-kanila mga pangalan.
Try mo nga.
Bini. Takot ako eh. Baka pagalitan ako eh.
Try mo, si Bini Glenda, si Bini Iris, si Bini Melissa, Bini Crisel, and si Bini Gemma Onchonco. O, di ba? Perfect! Ang magbini ng mga lady leaders of Albay. Oy, ang ganda nun. I love that.
Si Bini Mel. Ay,
Hey.
alam niya yung dance steps.
Ay.
Nakakaloka.
Main dancer.
Di ba? Bini talaga. Kaya make sure na hindi nyo kami binitin dahil andito na ang next contingent natin.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contingent number 4.
Walang iba kung hindi ang Piodoran Gay Pride. Pero bago ang lahat, meron lang kaming gustong iparating sa inyong mensahe galing sa Bolang Kristal. At ako po ay nagbibiro. Makinig po ha ang lahat. Ito po ay parte ng kanilang performance. Kaya pakinggan po natin.
Welcome to the world of collaboration and unity. This year's Mardi Gras theme is Working Together, We're Stronger. This theme highlights the importance of incorporating different generations and fostering collaboration to create an extraordinary and exclusive experience. The older generation, with their wisdom in historical context, can provide a valuable foundation. They carry the torch of the past, preserving tradition and paving the way for the progress. The younger generation, with their fresh ideas and contemporary influences, inject vibrancy and innovation into the performance. They bring forth new perspectives, pushing boundaries and challenging societal norms. By working together, different generations can learn from one another, bridging the gap between the past and the future. Collaborations allow the exchange of ideas, knowledge, and skills, creating a performance that is both authentic and forward-thinking. This is through this intergenerational collaboration that we can truly capture the essence of the LGBTQ community in the Mardi Gras. To depict the theme, Working Together, We're Stronger, the municipality of Piodoran, province of Albay, presents Piodoran Gay Pride Associations, The Generations.
El tiburón, loco, loco, el tiburón, loco, loco. Sigue más, dale, dale, sigue, sigue, dale, dale más. Hey chico, ¿cómo estás? Esta noche fiesta grande que la gente va para arriba y los... Dale, dale más. Oye, oye, fiesta grande. Oye, oye. Dale, dale, sigue, sigue, dale, dale, sigue más. Dale, dale, sigue, sigue, dale, dale más.
merengue de favela.
Peguemos las ceritas de la mano. La fiesta a tu boquita toda la noche, todito el día. Vamos a bañarnos en la orillita, que la marea está picadita. Una mordidita. A tu boquita toda la noche. Vamos a bañarnos en boquita. Vamos a tocar. Solo si estás dispuesta. Besito que me cuesta, tu pasión manifiesta.
Words wanna cut me down. I'm gonna send a blood, gonna drown them out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is not meant to be. This is me.
¿Cómo lo hacemos? Baby, y así en el metálico.
And galing po sila sa Municipality of Piuduran, ang kanilang president si Sir Michael J. Banyel. Ang directors po nila si Sir Gilbert Milamina, si Ma'am Kim Soriano, si Sir John Clement Liantos, kabilang din ang mga choreographers si Sir Jerome Salamoding, Ma'am Francine Hamto. At ang costume designers naman po nila ay si Ma'am Angel and team.
Thank you so much. Alam mo, partner, actually, I'm gonna be honest. Nung parade pa lang, sabi ko, may tarpaulin, baby boomers dyan. Sabi ko, ba't yan lang? Tapos when I saw this, kaya pala, paying homage to those who came before us. Sa mga, tawag dyan, to our hindi naman elderly talaga, pero kumbaga yung mga mas nakakatanda sa atin na members of the
Mga naunang
LGBT.
generation.
Yeah. Interesting concept as well. Kasi kumbaga, palaging youthful, palaging... Pero, meron din naman ng LGBT na matanda. Kaya yun yung nakakatuwa dito.
Naalala ko tuloy, partner, yung movie na Markova, wherein finiture doon
Comfort women.
Yes, oo.
Isa
Nung panahon
din
ng
yun.
mga Hapon. Correct.
Yes.
Correct ka dyan. I watched it.
Nakakatuwa kasi may kanya-kanyang atake tayo on how to showcase pride this Pride Month. And syempre, we would like to acknowledge the presence of